12 halves and 14 halves stripping slots quickly remove outer jacket of type NMB non-metallic sheathed cable. Strips, cuts and loops 12-14 Aruban fluorines solid and 14-16 Aruban fluorines stranded wire. New lock design prevents accidental locking and loosening over time. Precision shear-type blades for square, clean cuts on solid copper wire. Made in USA. Narrow, strong gripping, serrated nose for easy bending, shaping and pulling of wire in tight places. Holes for screw shearing, wire looping and bending. Coil spring provides fast self-opening action. Double-dipped comfort grips. Top reviews from the United States. Yes, buy them. Always good for the tool belt, but I carry these and a multifunctional screwdriver and can take care of many simple fixes.